Something break?
No.
Those are mighty pretty shoes you have on there, Dave. What size are they? Where'd you buy them at?
He stole them off the Keebler elf.
I bought them at Hanford's.
Were they on sale?
At the Keebler
Is this a
Elf.
video? When did they start selling shoes? Investigative video?
It's going on Facebook.
I know it is.
Dave, what's that wet spot from on your pants?
Oh wait, I need to zoom in. I'm so
It's really big.
That's what she said. Oh, those are mighty pretty. I love how we can't even stand.
Must have come in those. I wore these.
Amber, after he's got his hands on the wall, you're gonna have to have Mary come over and clean your wall.
Dave, is your whole foot in there?
Oh my god, I can't breathe.
No. Do it again, but this time get the whole foot.
The whole foot,
I
Dave.
got like 7/8 of the foot.
Shove the whole foot in there, Dave.
It's harder.
Yeah.
Push it.
Put it in that hole, Dave.
Oh my
Put
god.
it in that hole.
Don't worry, it'll stretch. Just keep pushing.
Yeah.
Fit, Dave.
You have to work a little harder there, buddy.
It's a bigger, blacker foot.
These are Donna's shoes. I don't want to
No, they're not. You
Okay,
painted
Donna,
them.
let me see your shoes.
See, she's
I
got her.
saw-
Donna has her shoes.
Those are yours.
So those are your shoes.
You walked in with them. I know it.
I know I did. What?
You're supposed to wear green shirts if you wear green shoes, though.
Stay classy, Dave. Stay classy.
Hey, don't you fall in that lamp.
Where are your shoes? Those are your shoes.
Don't go in the doorway.
Don't fall over.
You're gonna fall.
Dave.
Why's your hands in your pocket?
Where's your shoes, Dave? This is the funniest.
Where are you staying, David?
Yeah, where
What a good wife! What a good wife!
Oh,
Donna, you're so nice to your husband.
for the team.
Yeah, she did.
Dave, put those on.
They fit totally different though, Dave.
They're not like her panties.
Wait, get the other shoe, Dave. Get the other shoe.
They want to be unbalanced.
Yeah, you need to have both shoes.
This is going to be a really long video.
That's okay.
It can be edited.
Oh,
They
you
worth
guys
it.
are evil.
She fell over.
Okay, now walk around.
You gotta work. Work it, girl.
Yeah, your
Dude.
legs look really good, Dave. Shake your booty.
Like a mom.
Shake your balls.
Where the hell do I-
Wait, squish it together. Squish it.
What?
No, stop. Dave's toy.
Walk to the kitty, Dave. Walk to the
Walk
kitty.
into my shoes now.
Walk to the
Those are
kitty.
your shoes now.
Aren't those shoes made for walking? No, no touchy. That's what she said. Dave,
Laura,
Where's your shoes, Dave?
Cut it out!
stop, buddy.
to pet for vacation, so I put soft kitty.
Somehow
Soft
they
kitty cat from
vanished.
sticking on.
Where did they vanish to? Or did you just forget where you put them?
No.
You didn't forget where you put your shoes?
So much better than your evil looking burning the little globe sticks.
What do they look like, Dave?
What color are they?
Were they purple?
No.
They were big and black.
And then they were bigger and black.
And they were huge?
They were
You're- Aw.
Were they bright pink?
No. They're bright yellow.
How big were they?
What?
Oh.
And you could fit them in the hole?
No. That was stupid.
There is no doubt you descended from Grampy Bush.
We're all this is the best part. We're all making fun of them. We got 3 videos going.
I'm fucking the way.
At least he's not so drunk he doesn't have the fur man.
I totally realized what position I'm in.
What position are you in?
I'm fucked. How long does it take you to get your shoes on? I can find my goddamn socks.
Why don't you look for them?
I give up.
We'll tell you if you're warmer or colder.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's
It's like, where's Waldo?
Okay, you're cold.
I know I'm cold. Holy shit, my sweater's over there. Wait a minute.
Go put
Yeah,
your
let him
sweater
put
on.
his sweater on.
Go put your sweater on and maybe you'll find your
All
shoes.
his shoes to see if they ring.
Oh yeah, call your shoes. Why didn't we think of that first? Take out your phone and call them.
They don't have a ringtone.
You set them on silent?
Yes.
Your shoes are so loud you can probably hear them.
Yeah, no kidding.
I see them.
But now what do? Put on your sweater first or get your shoes?
What a conundrum.
When you put your sweater on, they might disappear.
It's exhausting, isn't it?
All I can say is thank God I'm not that guy.
I ask myself why there's always this person.
Because you're hilarious.
You're our own
Alright.
jackass.
Alright, go get your shoes.
They wore it just their whole life. Somebody
Just where?
That's right, we're conspiring against you.
Start
We want to
with
purposely
yourself.
hide your shoes.
the West Coast Mafia.
That's right, the shoe mafia.
Dave, why are you playing with yourself?
He like